Welcome to Innova's 60-second solutions. I'm Amy and today we're focusing on solutions for the glass and glazing industry in under 60 seconds. We supply a range of specialist products designed specifically for glass and glazing applications. Let's take a look at some key solutions and what they offer you. Jargon bar tapes such as XS100C, available in a range of thicknesses and colours, designed for strong, discreet bonding to glass and other substrates, ideal for a clean, reliable finish. Acrylic and PE foam tapes including Innova Foam 102 BPL, perfect for uneven or contoured surfaces, offering strong initial tack, excellent environmental resistance and reliable long-term performance. Spacer tapes such as Nova Glaze 300. Designed for structural glazing systems, this tape supports the curing of structural silicones while providing consistent spacing and compression recovery. Glass partition tape, a neutralised edged conformable acrylic tape offering exceptional adhesion to glass and coated surfaces, ideal for partitions and interior glazing where aesthetics matter. If you need technical advice or product recommendations, get in touch. That's another Innova 60-second solution.